Hi guys, this will be episode 5. We've got the motors in place, we've got the legs in place, so now it's the electronics. So this is step 17 and 18, I should think. So step 17, this piece, that way up. Really? That way up? Can't be that way up. Shows 2 screws through that hole and magically lining up with those holes. Nowhere near it. I finally found how old this kit must be, because the batteries have got their use-by dates on them. And the use-by date, let's go close up, 0604. And these ones, 0705. So depending on which is the year and which is the month, 0604, so it's either 2006 April or June 2004. Could be either, depending on whether you're American or UK, I suppose. But either way, we're talking, that's the use-by date, which is usually a couple of years in the future of the battery. So this is probably a 2004 kit or something like that. I think we need to adjust this. Yes, that was it. I think we're there. Right, had a bit of a panic there. I thought I'd got some wires wrong, so I took it apart, put it back together again, but it does work. The potentiometer there, I think I must have knocked it off to one side, so it's out of adjustment. I put it back now, and it seems to be fine. So I'll delete all the bit where I took it apart and put it back together, and in the next episode we'll just watch it running. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.